Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to sound like a duck easily. This will be a super duper easy peasy tutorial for making duck sounds. Let's get right into the video. Now essentially, I'm going to show you and let you listen to what the duck sound should sound like. So I'm going to do that right now. So listen closely. Okay, that's what you're aiming for. And it's really easy to do. I'm going to go over some instructions, so pay attention and you should be able to do this rather quickly. This video will be short and sweet, so we're going to get right into the instructions. You want to clench the teeth of a side of your mouth. So I'm going to clench the left side of my mouth, the molars on the left side of my mouth, like this. Okay, just like that. Then I'm going to press my tongue up against the inside of those molars on the left side of my mouth. So my tongue is being pressed up against it, like that, okay? And then I'm forcing air out from behind my tongue over here. And essentially, it sounds like this when you first start. Okay? Your tongue controls the amount of air pressure that gets let out from your mouth. So you can sort of move your tongue to get more air pressure or less air pressure. And your mouth and your cheek control the tone of the duck sound, like this. And when you bring those two things together, you essentially get that duck sound. You're aiming for a good amount of pressure, and that sound comes from, I believe, the pressure vibrating against the tongue and the cheek. Okay, I'm not exactly sure, but I learned how to do it as a kid, and I've sort of just never taught it to anyone, and now maybe some people will watch this video. So check it out one last time. And you can obviously do the same thing with the other side of your mouth as well. The most important thing to remember to do is to only open the side of the mouth that the tongue is pressed up against to get the right amount of air pressure. And that's basically it. That's how you can sound like a duck. Super easy instructions. It just takes some practice. But if you practice, you'll be able to sound like a duck in no time at all. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.